Good morning. Now we are going to work through the primary math activity for May 6th. So in looking at the outline, I just wanted to show you what you need. We go down here, we see that you need pages 3 through 5 in the packet. And what you're going to do is the students need page 5. Well, let me just show you. It'll be easier. Because one page is directions that you are going to read to them or that they read themselves. And then one page is vocabulary pictures that they cut out. And then one page is the scene where they actually glue the pictures or place the pictures following the directions. Okay, so here's page 3. This is the scene where they'll actually place the pictures. These are the directions. So this is what they will either read or you will tell them to do. And then here are the shape pictures. Now you will not need all of these pictures. And I will show you which ones you will need when we start the activity, okay? Before we begin, one thing that we do in the classroom before we do this activity is that we watch a YouTube video called Where's the Monkey? And it's a lot of fun. And so the students may want to watch that, and it helps remind them of the different positional words. And we have a Curious George monkey, and we take turns putting the monkey in the different positions, and the kids demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of that position, and they get to choose where they put that monkey when they're putting it in. What are they going to put it in? Or if it's behind or in front. So they may tell you about that. It's easy to find this video. I'm going to just zip right over here. And you can just, in your search on YouTube, just type in Where's the Monkey? It's Kids TV 123 is the maker, I guess, of this video. And push play. And we often will pause it and then demonstrate that actual preposition. And it's just a lot of fun. The kids really, really like this video. So I will, if you want to pause and watch that video right now before we begin the activity, this would be a great time to do that. And then you can rejoin me with your activity pages. Okay? Okay, so here is the activity page. All right. So as you can see, you only need 6 of the items to be cut out. And it's actually the vocabulary words that they tell you on the directions page. You'll need the ice cream cone, the candle, the board game, the shoebox, the gumball machine, and the hanger. Those are the 6 items. So the ice cream cone, the shoebox, the board game, the candle, the hanger, and the gumball machine. So when you go to that page, and I mean, it's just full of shapes. If you want to practice all your cutting skills, you can do that. Or you can just cut out these 6 shapes that you need. The most important thing, I think, if you're gluing them on, is to think about in the directions that at the last one is there's a between. So when you put the ice cream cone and the shoebox, when you place those, leave some space between them because there's an item that will go between. When we do it together on the screen, it works out fine because we can move them. But if you glue them, it might be difficult to move them. So the other thing that you can do is you can just place them as you're going through the directions. And then when you're all finished, you can actually glue them down. Okay? Or if you want to practice it more than once, you can just choose not to glue them down and you can just place them on the scene page and then save the pieces and do it again at another time. Okay? So if you're ready, let's go through some of the directions. I have to flip back and forth. The first direction says, put the ice cream cone on the desk. So we have to find the ice cream cone, which is here. That's the kind of ice cream cone I like. And we have to put it on the desk. So we find the desk. Can you guys find the desk? Do you see it? I'm going to make our scene just a smidge bigger. And I'm going to scooch it over so we can see everything. How's that? Okay, so I see the desk. Do you see the desk? Great job. So we get the ice cream cone and I'm going to put it on the desk. Now remember, it didn't say under, it didn't say above, it said on the desk. So just put it on the desk. Direction 2. Put the candle under the chair. So we have to find the candle. Do you see the candle? Great. What shape is the candle? Do you know what shape that is? It is a cylinder. A cylinder. And we have to find the chair. Where's the chair? There it is. So we're going to put the candle, our cylinder item, under the chair. Great work. Okay. And this shape, obviously it's an ice cream cone. It's a cone shape, isn't it? Perfect. All right. The next direction. Put the board game in the bin. So, do you see the board game? And what shape is it? Super, it is. It's a square. So if you were playing the board game, it would have pieces on top. But you know, a lot of times if we play like Candyland or Chutes and Ladders, something like that, we lay the board out and put our pieces on top to play. So that's what it is. And it says to put it in the bin. Do you see the bin? Do you guys have a bin that you pick up your toys and put them in at your house? Or maybe you keep things in your bathroom in a bin or in the kitchen. Lots of different ways that we use bins in our house. Now, it'll be hard for you to do this, to put it in like that. So you can just kind of do your best. I guess you could cut a little slit in that paper copy and slide it in so it shows that you're putting it in the bin. You don't have that opportunity of, the digital manipulation of the bin. So anyway, okay. So there we go. All right. Now it says to put the shoebox beside the ice cream cone. Okay, so the shoebox. Do you see the shoebox? Excellent. And what shape is the shoebox? It's kind of like a tissue box. It's that same shape, a rectangular prism. Now, this is the one I was talking about. When you place it, instead of put it beside the ice cream cone. Okay, well, this is beside, remember, or next to, if you watch the Where's the Monkey video. But I want you, if you're gluing them down right now, if you're not gluing them, you can leave it right there.
Shoebox.
But if you're not gluing them down, leave some space. Okay? And you can decide how to do that. It's one of the things I don't really like about these directions is how this one goes, but oh well. Okay, 2 more to go. Put the gumball machine behind the shoebox. Okay, here is our gumball machine. And we have to put it behind. Did it say behind the chair? Nope. Behind the bin? Nope, that would be in. Oh, behind the shoebox. So you just have to put it under, which looks like under. If it were under, it'd be like that. But we're going to put it up a little higher so that we can see it. And we know it's behind it. There, nice job. Very good. And what shape is this part of the gumball machine? Yes, it does look like a circle, but we know that it's not flat because then there would be no gumballs in it if it were flat, right? So it has to be a sphere. Okay, our last direction. Put the hanger between the ice cream cone and the shoebox. So grab that hanger. And this is why you left that space. So you could put the hanger in between, right? Not beside or next to that. So when you put something that's, if it's next to 2 things, it's in between or in the middle. That's another word that you can use for between. Middle. Great work. Now your scene is complete. Great job with your prepositions today. Those prepositional words are really, really important to be able to follow directions. I'm very proud of your hard work. I would love to see what yours looks like. So send me a picture, okay? Well done. Have a great day, everyone.